me this afternoon and we've got a 2012 Fiat Doblo van with a suspected clutch failure. Now what's happened, the customer's been driving along and the clutch pedal has gone straight to the floor. As you can see, we've got no clutch pedal there, it's disappeared. Now we all know by now that when I do a clutch we like to get the battery and the battery tray out of the way first. Now I've just had a little look around down there and noticed that the pipe going to the concentric slave has popped out the gearbox. Let's take it up in the air and have a little look, see what's going on. Now as you can see, I've got the vehicle in the air. Now let's have a little look and see what's going on. As you can see, we've got brake fluid everywhere where that pipe's come undone. Now you can quite clearly see there that it is moving back and two. Now to bleed these, you do need to pull it out and push it back in. But I'm thinking, is that pipe corroded or is the clip corroded? I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but we're going to have a little look. Can we pull it out? Yes, we've pulled it out. Well, the pipe looks alright. Normally what happens is there's a little groove in there. They normally corrode up and the pipe and the spring clip just squashes out. Let's take this clip off now and have a look if I can take it off. Oh! I can't do it one-handed anyway. Put the camera down. That is one little clip off. Now, what I have seen before now, like I explained to you with that pipe corroding, I've seen them before now where they corrode on one side, but that looks absolutely perfect. Why is this popped off? I think what I'm going to do is clean everything up, put the pipe on, and bleed the clutch, and see what's going on. Yeah, now I've come back to this hydraulic pipe. It does look a little bit corroded in there, so what I'm going to do is get a little pick and we're just going to clean that groove out and see what happens. Now I've cleaned that little clip up which goes into that plastic housing there. Now what I cleaned the pipe with was a Stanley knife, run it around the groove, and what we're going to do, a little bit of red rub grease, put it on that pipe, give it a good smother in like so. I'm going to push it in and see. Now go up the top and try and bleed it. Now we're back at working heights. We're going to connect the brake fluid up, and what I'm using is a Launch Pro Brake 1. Absolute awesome piece of kit. Let's switch it on. Keep your finger on the start button and you'll hear a little click, and once that click has happened then that pump will stay on and it'll keep it at constant pressure whatever you set it to. Now you're going to be keeping around 1.5 bar to 2 bars of pressure, and you just adjust it with that little knob there. Now once we get round to the bleeding side of it itself, I'm going to put my hand down there. Probably not going to be able to see, I have tried. Just push that clip down and pull that pipe out. Oh, it is a little bit tight. Like so, and then you will see all that brake fluid coming through. I'm going to get this clutch bled and see what happens. And there you have it, that is one clutch system bled. Look at the colour of that fluid. Anyway, let's jump in the vehicle now and see if we've got a bit of a clutch pedal. Let's see what's happening. Well, we have got a clutch pedal. Let's give it a big start and see if it... Clutch is engaging. The first gear. And we're moving forward and backwards. Let's take it down the road for a little bit of a test drive. Now as you can see, we're out in the van and we're giving it a little bit of a test drive and it's changing gear. Absolutely beautiful. Now I don't really know why that pipe had popped off, but we've cleaned it up, we've made sure it's nice and secure, we've got plenty of rubber grease in it, and we have also bled it up. Well, it's working perfectly. And there you have it, that is one test drive complete and I am more than happy with it. Now I can safely say that we have saved the customer a substantial amount of money because they were prepared to have a new clutch fitted. So yeah, nice little treat for them for Christmas, save a little bit of money. But yeah, let's get some.